God of mercy and grace, I come before you now, seeking stillness. I lay down the weight I've been carrying, the restless thoughts that swirl in my head, the unease that hides in my chest. I long for your peace, Lord, a peace that the world cannot give and the world cannot take away. Quiet my spirit, calm my breath, slow the beating of my anxious heart. You are not far from me, even when I feel overwhelmed. You are not silent, even when the noise inside drowns you out. You are always near. I draw close to you now. In the middle of chaos, you are the calm. In the middle of uncertainty, you are the anchor. I set my heart on you. I fix my thoughts on you. I release control and welcome your divine order. I let go of fear and receive your love. Even as worries knock at the door of my mind, I choose to open the door to your voice instead. The voice that speaks gently, kindly, without rush or pressure. The voice that says, "Be still and know that I am God." I breathe deeply now. With every breath, I choose to trust you more. With every breath, I choose to surrender more. With every breath, I become more aware of you. You are not a distant God. You are here. You are with me. You are holding me. You know my thoughts even before I speak them. You understand my heart when I don't have the words. So I sit in your presence, now letting go of the need to say everything perfectly. I simply rest in you. Let your peace fill every part of me, my thoughts, my emotions, my body. Let it reach the places that are tight with stress, the muscles that are tense, the mind that runs without rest. Let your peace flow like water, gentle and constant. When I feel scattered, gather me. When I feel afraid, comfort me. When I feel burdened, lift me. You are my shepherd. You lead me beside still waters. You restore my soul. You anoint me with oil. My cup overflows. I trust your presence to do what I cannot. I trust your spirit to bring balance where I feel off. I trust your love to cast out every fear, big or small. I don't need to perform. I don't need to prove anything. I just need to be with you. Let this time be sacred. Let this moment be holy. A place where I remember that I am not alone, that I have always been seen, that you know my name, that you have numbered every hair on my head. I surrender the burdens I've held onto for too long, the worries about the future, the guilt about the past, the weight of decisions, expectations, comparisons. I lay them all down. I let them go into your hands, the safest place they can be. I choose peace, not because everything is perfect, but because I know you are with me in the imperfection. I choose calm, not because life is easy, but because you are my rock in every storm. I choose rest, not because there is nothing to do, but because you invite me to lie down in green pastures. Thank you for always making room for me, for welcoming me as I am, for being patient when I wander, for waiting when I get distracted, for never being in a hurry with me. You are the God of presence. You are the God of now. I dwell in your stillness. I soak in your nearness. I let the tension fall from my shoulders. I release the clenching of my jaw. I stop the endless list running through my mind. I give it all to you. When the enemy whispers panic, I will remember your promises. When my thoughts spiral, I will look to your truth. When I'm tempted to run ahead or fall behind, I will walk with you at the pace of peace. You are my safe place, my secret place, my shield and hiding spot. I come back to you again and again, and you never turn me away, even when I'm tired, even when I doubt, even when I don't know what to pray. Let your spirit intercede for me. Let your spirit pray through me. Let every silent moment in your presence do more than 1,000 words. I don't need to strive. I only need to stay. Thank you for this quiet, for the gentle reminder that I don't have to figure it all out, that I don't have to hold the world together, that I am held, known, and loved. I let that truth sink deep. I breathe it in. I hold it close. I let it fill every corner of my mind, every room in my heart. You are with me. You are for me. You are not against me. I do not walk this life alone. I do not carry these things in isolation. I do not need to pretend. I do not need to hide. I am seen. I am heard. I am loved. Let this peace stay with me. Let it become part of me. Let it guide me through the rest of this day. Let it guard my heart. Let it rule my mind. Let it echo in my words. Let it soften my reactions. Let it shape my thoughts. Teach me to return to this space of peace often, to come back when I get distracted, to return when I feel overwhelmed, to live in constant conversation with you, not just in moments of stillness, but in every breath I take. Even when things go wrong, I will stay grounded in you. Even when plans fall through, I will remain calm. Even when others are frantic, I will stand in quiet confidence, not because of who I am, but because of who you are. You are enough for me. Your peace is enough. Your love is enough. Your presence is more than enough. I don't need more than what you offer right now. I accept it fully. Thank you for calming me. Thank you for meeting me. Thank you for never growing tired of me. Thank you for being my peace, my clarity, my balance, my stillness. I remain here for just a little longer. In no rush, let this calmness last. Let it take root. Let it grow. I belong to you, and in you I find perfect peace. Amen.